Let's go back to the first floor. And for this particular project, we are going to be using a U-shaped stair. So not the winder U-shape, but a U-shaped stair. So how do you do that? Doesn't seem to have an option for a U-shape without the winder. That's because you can actually use the straight stair to create the U-shaped stair. So all our settings are still the same, 21 rise. Let's just start here. And this time, we're going to click when the riser being ghosted says 10 risers. So we still have 11 to go or 11 remaining. So I'll click here. And this time, you can actually click somewhere here beside that set of stairs, flight of stairs, and go around or back. Again, up to or extending it beyond the 11 risers remaining. Click, and you get your U-shaped stair. Now, if you click OK to this, it gives you a warning. Similarly, because you'll have this very tight turn, and somehow it's difficult to weld that together. So there's an easy fix to that. Just click on OK. It's just a warning that can be ignored. It's a warning that can be ignored. So to fix that, you can easily select the stairs, edit the stairs, and select the landing. Notice that there are grips around that you can use to adjust the distances. So you actually want to push this in to give you a nice bend. Now, but if you're pushing this in, then this now will become, the width of this will be smaller than the width of the flight of stairs. So you might want to adjust this first, right? Let's say by 100. And then you can adjust this then by 100 as well. So that's how you solve that situation. Click OK. You don't get that warning anymore. If you go to a 3D view, you'll see that that extension provides this elongation to the railing. Let's go back to the first floor. Now, we do know the width of the stairs, but how do you control this? You could have added a, if you have pre-calculated, you could have added a line here that you can snap to. Or simply select the stairs, edit it again, right? Then select the flight of stairs. Now notice that if you select this, it gives you some dimension that you can change. So let's say here, I can change that to, let's say, 2,300. Click outside and control the total width. Well, that's minus, of course, the thickness of the railing. So that's something you need to adjust for. So that's how you control this. If you select this flight of stairs, it will only give you, well, it does give you the distance here. So you can still change that. So depending on which way you are or which flight of stairs you're selecting, the dimension will be appearing in a different location. Okay. Once you're happy with the overall distance or width of your stairs, then you can click OK. Now, in another topic, you can actually change the direction of where your stairs start from the base. So if we go back to the roof structure, if you want this to be at the first floor and you're going up in the other direction, you can simply select the stairs and you'll see this small arrow right here. Click that and the direction of the stairs will flip. I think this is good since we have the door at the side of the stairs or of the wall. So we'll use this as our stairs for our emergency exit.